Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be. Thank you for being here. And thank you for being a part of our soul family. Happy Sunday. Today, I wanted to, first of all, share that there is a full moon today, which is very exciting. Full moon in the sign of Gemini. And also, there is Mercury is stationed direct. So, the the insanity storm of Mercury retrograde is over. So we're not quite out of the woods yet. There's what we call a shadow that will last for 3 or 4 days. But the good news is things are going to start to make a lot more sense now. We're going to be moving forward, moving much more forward, and things will work out better. Also, that full moon in Gemini that we have today is really really a powerful energy, actually, and it is all about communication. It's about communication, and because we've been in Mercury retrograde, so much of the communication that we've had has been introspective. And now, I love that we're about 2 weeks away from the new year, right? We're about 2 weeks away from the new year, and this is always the time where collective consciousness says we have to set our intentions for the new year. We have to, what do they call them? New Year's resolutions, right? They say, oh, we have to set our New Year's resolutions, and it becomes a big business around the world. Gyms are full, and all of these things are happening around this time. What's really cool this year is because of the energies, the way the energies are aligning for us. It's really supporting us in manifesting an incredibly powerful 2025. And we have 2 really solid good weeks. Trust me, there's never any timeline to when you can manifest, but we have 2 good solid weeks before New Year's and before 2025 hits. And I encourage a lot of really deep asking about what it is that you want in your life, what you require adding to your life that you are aware that would make your life, that would, kick it over the edge. So that's something that this Gemini full moon that we are in today is going to start to trigger with you. The Gemini full moon is really about communication. Okay. And it's also a good time to look at your emotions, your emotional system, and look at how you can communicate your feelings better. I think I have dripped a little bit that we're launching my first solo podcast called Vulnerability. And it's about you looking at vulnerability as a superpower. And I mean, if anything is more vulnerable than getting honest and raw with your feelings, I can't imagine what that might be. So it's a very, very, it's a very deep project for me. I've waited, I don't know if that's the right word, but I have been aware of the divine timing of this particular project. It's been in the works for years, and I haven't really pulled the trigger. It's very deeply personal to me, and I am actually doing it for me. Isn't that interesting? Usually, when we do podcasts and we do all of these things, we do them because for, promotions or this or that. And I've really kind of acknowledged that there's some things that, ways in which I want to grow, actually, ways I want to grow, ways I want to transform myself, ways that I want to re-engage with my audience, and vulnerability is going to be one of those really special projects for me. So we're launching on December 29th, God willing. I can say that now. Mercury is out of retrograde. We're going to launch and across all platforms, Spotify, Apple, and Google Play. So you will know more about those when they come. It's going to be a pretty brief 15 to 20 minute podcast. And we've got some exciting things that are going to kind of accompany that to take you on the journey with me. And yeah, so how does it get even better? So I invite you all to look out for that. And of course, I will send you all the information as it becomes available. And we'll always welcome your feedback. So Today, let's go ahead and dive in to our meditation today. And I'm going to kind of tap into the collective and see maybe what kind of downloads it is that you are asking for, what you require in your life. And let's see how that can contribute to each and every one of us. We are a collective soul family, right? So when we show up, we show up today with these 15, 20, 30 people who are watching presently. And then, of course, all of you who are watching past, present, and future and time continuum. We're all one. And so in so many ways, our energies are reflecting and matching each other's, right? And so as we contribute to one, we contribute to the whole. And I welcome that each and every one of us sees what we're doing here as support, not only for ourselves, but support for each other, and support for our inner circle, if you will, and therefore then support for the outside world as well. So let's go ahead and begin our meditation today. And let's close our eyes and find ourselves in our heart. Let's just begin also today by saying just a brief prayer of gratitude. Creator of all that is, source, light, universe, we thank you for everything. Oh, amen. Now let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. Imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. Now see yourself in this ball of light. And imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up, out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets and galaxies in the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light, some dark, through those layers into a beautiful golden-like light, and through the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light, and through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. And as your ball of light dissolves into this beautiful energy, you feel the connection, the contribution, the collaboration of all things, all atoms and molecules of existence. And from here, we'll ask for some downloads for our group today. As a reminder, all you have to do is say yes to receive them. So would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is like, and that you are aligned with your highest and best, and that you're worthy of acknowledging where you're at, that you're worthy of looking around in your life and your environment and becoming present with some of these things, these energies that are showing up for you. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to acknowledge and to see the choices that you have that could exponentialize your life experience, or that could change it in a positive way, in a healthy way, in a welcoming way, in a supportive way? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to, the words that I'm hearing are become like a chameleon, to become adaptable. That's the word. So would you like to know what it feels like to become adaptable? That you're worthy of being adaptable, that it's safe for you to be adaptable to all situations, all climates, all surroundings, everything, just to become adaptable. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to trust yourself? To trust yourself and to trust that all of those people, places, and situations that are in your life or that are coming into your life or that are present here now, they're a vibrational match for where you are in your life. Acknowledge what is working and let go of what you perceive is not working. If you'd like that, say yes. Would you like to have the creator's definition of intuition? What it means to follow your intuition? What it means to be present with following your intuition? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to have discernment between your intuition and fantastical thinking? I had somebody ask me a really great question the other day. They said, yeah, Dan, I told them, I said, wow, you're very intuitive. And they go, am I? I think I'm just creative. I said, well, where does creativity come from? They had a hard time answering that one. I said, it comes from the universe. It comes from the creator. It comes from the source, as does intuition. So in order to be intuitive, you have to be creative as well, right? Would you like to know what it feels like to tap into your creativity, to allow your creativity to contribute to you instead of limit you? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to acknowledge with your intuition what it is that you, let's say, get right and what it is that you can let go of? Oftentimes, you know, when I teach a class about intuition, first of all, and one of the things that happens in the class is people go, well, I didn't get that right. Right? We play a bunch of games in the class, intuitive psychic games. They say, I didn't get that one right. And I've noticed that we, as a human species, we like to focus on what we didn't get right. Because then I'll say, well, you got that right, and you got that right, and you got that right. And they go, yeah, but I didn't get that right. So would you like to know what it feels like to focus on all the things that you got that are aligned with you and to let go of the things that you didn't? If you'd like that, say yes. Would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to trust yourself? To know that you're worthy of trusting yourself and that it's safe for you to trust yourself. If you'd like that, say yes. Um, mm, Opportunity. We've been talking a lot about opportunity this week. And here we are in the month of Sagittarius, which is the month of miracles. What miracles can you create that could be opportunities for exponential growth in your life? If you'd like that, say yes. Great. So let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. Okay. As we do so, let's please just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love, in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's please begin. Let's please send unconditional healing and light to Millie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected, magical, and amazing as always. Let's also please send unconditional healing, light, love, nurturing, and support to my Mama Linda, on her healing journey. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's also please send healing to Avraham. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And also to Sarah. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing to Anne and Carter and Grace. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing to Steve and to Carrie. And let's also please send healing to Abdul and to Dolly and Hector. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. So now let's take our palms and rub our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes and allow that energy to come into your body, into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here and for showing up today. Thank you all so much. Have a beautiful day, a miraculous day, a wonderful start to your new week. And I will see you same time, same place tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.